question. The first one is the Bachcha question.
Oh, CR7X, Real Madrid.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, do the question. 9th and 10th. Bachcha question.
That is not a Bachcha question.
10th is a Bachcha question. So CR7X, did you cry while leaving Unicorn?
For what?
Because she was going to boating and you were leaving her.
No,
Did you cry?
No, sir.
Unicorn cried?
What?
Unicorn, did Unicorn cry?
Yes.
Did Mama cry?
Yes.
Who cried more? Mama or Unicorn?
Okay, second one. Mama.
Oh, I knew it.
Sir, I was first one to get a heart. Sir, this was such a Bachcha question. Bachcha question. How did Kush got it wrong? Yes. How did Kush get it wrong? I think he got it wrong because he got me wrong. Yes. Sir, it is not a Bachcha question. Sir, yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is a super Maha Bachcha question. Yes.
So is Nike here?
No. Ragini ma'am, can you send the house?
Hope is here. Dr. Evangeline is also not here.
Dr. Eva.
And Mahi, you can check your answers. And
सर मुझे लगता है खुश ने तो ए सेंड करा है.
so, beta, we can see a circle. It is here, like the big one. We can see a square. These are the squares. We can see triangle. These are the triangles. But we don't have a rectangle. We don't have a rectangle.
Mahi got both wrong.
And incorrect match is this is not a triangle. The shaded part is a circle. It's a circle.
Sir, Mahi got both
Got
wrong.
both wrong. Yes, he must have sent in the wrong order.
Sir, there is no order. D. Both are D. There
Achha,
is
both are beta because maybe
Sir, 11th question, please.
he's not respecting his Didi.
Huh? He doesn't
Because that's why he's not respecting, na. He doesn't have Didi.
have a Didi. Yes. And Dheeraj.
Then why you got it wrong?
11th question. Because it is the most easiest. Like Dheeraj. Serious Nike joined.
Oh. Nike, are you serious today as well? Nike, are you serious today as well?
What? 89. Something.
Wait.
First.
Yes, Nike, I couldn't hear you.
Ma'am didn't put the names.
Beta, chup ho ja bhai. Nike, are you serious today as well? Yes, so today also serious Nike has joined.
Ma'am, first one to get a heart.
Get a heart.
A go second. Oh. Who is the third one? First one is the most easiest. Hope is the third one. Khatam. Join late. No, let's continue. Fourth one, we write.
Yes, Nike, why you joined late?
Serious Nike. The class was taking a little time to join. Mr. Bedi is the fourth one. Viraj will 100% be the fifth one. Oh.
Dr. Evanjali is driving today.
Veera got it wrong. Same answers.
So serious Nike, send your answer.
Sir, can you give me time because I joined late?
I cannot give you time because you joined late.
Can we get a
So we have one,
Sir,
we
it's
have two here, two here, one here, one here, one here, one here, two here, one here, and two here. And why have these made this? I don't know. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 12, 14. So I am getting 14. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is the correct.
सर 14 कैसे है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
एक मिनट फिर से काउंट कर ये वाला छोड़ दिया हमने सॉरी तो 15 इज द करेक्ट आंसर
सर देखा चीटिंग करते
यस देखा मैंने चीटिंग नहीं करी 15 इज द करेक्ट मैंने ये मिस कर दिया
सर जो क्वेश्चन
नो नो नो
प्लीज
इट्स अ क्वेश्चन 13 14 करो
सर वर्टिकल लाइन कौन सी होती है
वर्टिकल होती है मैं अब बार बार नहीं बताऊंगा थिंक ऑन योर ओन
और हॉरिजॉन्टल परसेंट अच्छा वर्टिकल लाइन Sir, mom is not checking.
Veera, there are two questions.
Sir, I sent. I have sent. Mom is not checking. I don't know why.
I don't know, even I don't know why ma'am is not checking.
Vertical line. Sir, first one is impossible.
Nothing is impossible, Kusha.
Sir, what does two-dimensional mean? The 13th question.
बेटा एक सेकंड रुक जाओ
Sir, ma'am is not checking.
बेटा प्लीज चुप रहो इतना नहीं बोलो अगस्त क्या बोल रहे थे आप अनम्यूट करके बोलो
What is the meaning of, I mean, two-dimensional shape?
टू डायमेंशनल देखो बेटा एक होती हैं 2D शेप्स एक होती हैं 3D शेप्स तो 2D शेप्स होती हैं जो जैसे पेपर है 2D शेप है स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल दैट इज 2 डायमेंशनल 3 डायमेंशनल
Sir, what is the vertical line?
बेटा दैट यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर आई कांट टेल यू नाउ हमने एक बार हम ज्योमेट्री का एक चैप्टर कर चुके हैं we must remember now है ना if I will tell you then who will tell you in the exam चलो I am going to explain now so Miss Hope where is my answer Miss Nike first of all which line is missing अब देखो guys ये होती है जो standing है इसको स्टैंडिंग बोलते हैं और वर्टिकल भी बोलते हैं। ओके, यस और नो? इसको हम बोलते हैं लाइक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन को स्लीपिंग बिकॉज इट्स इन द स्लीपिंग पोजीशन, और हॉरिजॉन्टल दिस इज कर्व्ड लाइन and this is slant line. You just have to remember horizontal sleeping, standing vertical. तो हम कुछ शॉर्ट फॉर्म बना सकते हैं। हम एक तो बना सकते हैं SLH और STV, कुछ भी याद कर लो। तो S से किसी का नेम स्टार्ट होता है क्लास में? अभी नहीं होता। तो STV से हम याद कर सकते हैं सचिन तेंदुलकर विक्ट्री इज विक्टोरियस, या तो विक्ट्री कर दो, विक्टोरियस कर दो, कुछ भी कर दो। तो STV, तो ST किसके लिए? स्टैंडिंग के लिए। V किसके लिए? वर्टिकल के लिए। तो हम इसको ऐसे याद कर सकते हैं सचिन तेंदुलकर विक्ट्री और विक्टोरियस। तो ST स्टैंड्स फॉर स्टैंडिंग एंड V स्टैंड्स फॉर वर्टिकल। याद रहेगा अब एवरीवन? So which type of line is missing? Horizontal is missing. I am a 2D shape. I have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Who am I? Of course, it's a square because ये 2D है, ये 2D है, ये 3D है and ये 3D है.
Sir, I mistakenly sent the answer C.
Okay. Next questions.
Sir, in 2 tries I got the 14th one. I did not check mine in the last question.
Ma'am, why are you not checking Dr. Evangelis? She is specially doing the class from the car.
PP. Sir, sent both. Tell ma'am to check my first. Why did I send to the 15th one? I should do. Yes. These are bacha questions. Bacha question. He got the 15th wrong. The most bacha. Sir, can you do the 70?
Miss Hope,
Sir, just 1 minute.
beta, you can speak your answer. Time is up now. And naughty Veera, how can you get both questions wrong? This is unbelievable.
Wow.
This is seriously out of the league. तो बताओ naughty Veera, which one should be which is the incorrect match? बताओ, you are the hero of these questions. बताओ. And you are mute.
C part.
D part. और करेक्ट इज सी पार्ट बेटा, दिस इज अ क्यूब। आपने क्या बोला आंसर? आपने डी बोला था ना अभी?
सर मैंने सी बोला था।
सी बोला था, ठीक है। फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या है? होप विल टेल द आंसर फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। होप इज ऑल्सो द हीरो ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन।
सर स्क्वायर।
तो आपने पहले गलत क्यों बोला बेटा?
सर वो गलती से वो गलत मैच हो गया। सर स्क्वायर तो है।
कहाँ है बेटा? रेक्टेंगल है,
रेक्टेंगल ही है।
सर्कल है,
सर
एंड
ये
और क्या है? ट्राइंगल भी है,
सर
नोजी।
सर ये कह रहा हूँ
ये तो सर्कल है वीरा,
ये
इसको
कह
आईज चेक कराओ।
ये मैं कह रहा हूँ
ये
ये।
रेक्टेंगल है
सर ये तो स्क्वायर है।
बेटा। आप स्क्वायर में आपको बना के दिखाता हूँ कैसे होता है।
स्क्वायर तो वही है
ये
सर।
होता स्क्वायर। अब लग रहा है स्क्वायर?
हम्म।
हाउ कैन नॉटी वीरा गेट सच क्वेश्चंस रॉन्ग?
सर सर
Yes, yes, I am listening. 17 and 18.
सर आई हैव अ डॉग।
You have a dog. Which breed?
शिजू।
Oh, they are so cute.
Sir, Sir, I also have two dogs. Sir, it is one Shih Tzu
Did you
and
get
one Pit Bull.
anything?
2, 3,
Oh
4,
my
5.
goodness, Pitbull also is there.
Pit Bull and Shih Tzu.
Will Pitbull bite me or no?
Sir, yes. Sir,
Oh
सर
my
मेरे पास पहले
goodness.
पिटबुल होता था
Then
पर
I
अब
won't
नहीं
come
है।
to your home.
Sir, but he is locked in his cage.
Okay.
God. Sir, I am a German Shepherd in my nanny house.
'To the 17th and 18th. Guys, please excuse me for a minute.
Forever. From ages. Years. From life. Boker और क्या मैम? मैम आपने ऐसे नहीं ये बुक पढ़ी हुई है थोड़ी ठीक है नहीं। ला दो आप बुक कर
बिना क्लास के तो जैसे अपने आप कर ही लेते हैं।
हो सकते हैं हम
2 मिनट नहीं है मेरे पास।
ये
हम म्यूट पे हो।
समझ आया। Thank you. E. Dr. Eva get it correct. Sir, but he gets this question right. Can it be a Kidzu question?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
everyone
It's
got
a
a
Kidzu
heart.
question. It's a Kidzu question.
Everyone got a heart.
Sir, it's a
Let me
Kidzu
get the
question. मेरे 50 किड्स हो गए हैं। सबसे
All
तो
right.
पता आई शिवांजलि की उसके 6 किड्स हो गए। हाँ
Draw
वरना
the
तो है
19th and the 20th question.
do the 19 and 20 D. Okay. So the following shapes are missing in this square is not there. What happened? So what
1
happened?
second, I am resharing it. The window closed.
Send 3 all. Sent. The ma'am is not checking. The ma'am is not checking.
Your answer is wrong.
Your answer is wrong.
I think wrong. Okay.
Okay, Hope got it wrong. One more wrong.
How did last question is too easy?
Too easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Sir,
Oh.
sent. Sir, just wait 2 minutes.
Oh, here
Let's
is
go.
correct. Correct. Oh,
Only one.
only one child has got wrong.
Only
How
who
did?
has got it wrong. It is.
Only one child has got one wrong.
It was dad. Dad.
It was that.
The secret answer was dad.
It was easy. Yes. It was the answer was dad.
Yes.
Papa. Yeah. Oh. So,
Sir, everybody got it correct.
except Hope.
Hope, should I explain? Miss Hope,
Yes, sir.
which one beta you have
Sir,
not
I
understood?
sent all, but ma'am was not.
चलो ठीक है, एक one by one मुझे बता दो.
Yeah.
First one का what should be the answer?
Sir,
Tell
D.
me.
D.
D. What about the 20th one?
Sir, sir, I know these all and I sent these only, but
Okay.
ma'am
Next, what
checked
about
it
the
wrong.
21st question? 21st में क्या आंसर होना चाहिए?
सर मैंने D A A भेजा है.
तो A कैसे होगा बेटा? We have to make this shape ना. This is a rectangle. So we have to make this rectangle.
Sir,
So
D A D.
yes, it's dad.
D A.
Yes.
How
It's
can you miss the dad thing?
22.
Sir,
So we
only
will do
sir, only 22 only.
22 and 23.
Tango. Circle आ गया हाँ triangle आ गया नहीं Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 8 is 8. Comma, 3 check myself. ये हो गया
Nobody got it.
Yeah.
Sir, how is it wrong? Mine is correct.
I will explain, Agguji.
Sir, sent. Sir, sent. Sir, sent. Sir,
13,
sent.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 4 threes.
No, there's no checking.
4 threes. 12.
Beta question.
13.
Kush,
14.
beta, you have to wait for a minute now.
Sir sent.
Ivy League and Dr. Eva. Chalo, I'm going to explain now.
Understanding question number 23.
Okay.
It is not.
Which?
It is not given in the options only.
All right, we will count. So slanting lines, this is slanting one. मैं black color use करता हूँ.
So,
Which color can I use? Green color. This is slanting, this is slanting, this is 3. And these are how many? 3 again. These are how many? 3 again. These are how many? 3 again. So total I have got 3 times 4, that is equal to 12. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So ye 2 into 4, I have got 8. Total will be 20. So Kush and Mahi are the only kids who got it correct, so they will get a kidzu.
Yay!
So Nike, Dr. Eva, have we understood? Nike, serious Nike, Dr. Eva, and Aguji.
Sir, I
and
thought 12 is
Hope.
not the option, so I counted the
बेटा
triangle.
मेरी बात सुनो ना प्लीज बीच में इंटरप्ट नहीं करना इंटरप्ट करोगे किड्स कैंसिल नेक्स्ट टाइम मैम अगर इंटरप्ट करे कुछ तो प्लीज कैंसिल कर देना ये वाला किड्स आपको एंड ऑफ द क्लास में मिलेगा कुछ बिकॉज आप बीच में बोल देते हो आई विल नॉट कैंसिल बट आई विल गिव यू एट द एंड ऑफ द क्लास तो मिस्टर बेदी वीरा आईवी अंडरस्टूड
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट 24 and 25
Go.
Sir sent. First one to get a heart. Sir, ma'am is not checking my. Sir,
yes
me and Khush were the only one to get the 24th one right. And Hope.
yep
Mr. Baby.
24th is a बच्चा question. Now my mistake.
There are dash slanting and dash curved lines. पहले हम curved lines गिनते हैं.
Sir, I
One,
know the answer.
two,
Sir, I also know. I mistakenly sent.
three,
Yes, sir. Sir.
4, 5, and 6.
Accidentally sent
This will
So
be the
there are 6
see
curved
that is
lines.
the answer. Yeah, that's it.
Then we will count the slanting lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ये 10 हो गई. I will do it with another color. I will do it with orange now. 11, 12, 13, or 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 with orange. Total 24. Please see, guys. तो आईवी एंड माही समझ आया.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bedi, Agu, Dr. Eva,
Yes.
and Serious
Sir, my
Nike.
answer was that, but I mistakenly sent the answer A. Sir, I did
So-
not see the inside circles of.
So Nike, आपका 25th का what answer did you send?
Sir, I know the correct answers, but I accidentally sent the 25th first and the 24th in the second.
Okay, Serious Nike. So we have completed this chapter also. Please give a big hand.
Yes. And a kids question. Last question, kids question. Yes, sir.
No.
No.
Sir, it is only
Oh,
three.
No,
three kids
sir,
got it
the
right.
bachcho
No,
question
no,
is
no,
not.
no. That's 3 kids got it correct.
The three the only the maximum. Sir, only two
बेटा
gets.
बट अभी 9 ही किड्स हैं ना. अगर पूरे किड्स हो 10 तो 3.
Sir,
और क्वेश्चन भी इजी था.
if there are, sir, it's a rule if two kids get it correct, then only it's a good question.
तो पॉस
Sir, there are 8 children, not 9.
Yes, sir, there are 8. You don't.
So there are 8. Oi. No, I think there are 9. One child got disconnected.
Let me see.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
Sir, there are 8.
Sir, there are
8.
9 only. 9 only.
Because serious 19 left. Yes,
No,
sir.
Dr. Eva left.
Actually, I have joined.
Yes, now you joined.
Huh?
Sir, break.
Break.
Only
Break.
black. If we get a break.
Sir, there are 9. Break.
Sir, Dr. Eva left. I
So
don't know.
now today we will start measurements.
Sir, everybody.
Everybody knows measurements.
Yes. Yes, sir. Centimeter and length.
So
Breadth, width.
I will ask few questions then.
Okay.
So what is the weight of what will we measure a notebook with or in? So the notebook will be measured in grams or kilograms or liters or milliliters.
Sir, can we send the answer?
What will we measure weight of a notebook with? Tell me.
Okay. Sir,
Yes, naughty Veera.
sir, can I speak the answer?
Yes, you can speak.
Grams. Can I speak the answer? Oh my God.
So it's grams. ठीक है. Next.
Sir, sent. Sir, I didn't understand.
बेटा नोटबुक का वेट ग्राम्स में ही होगा ना, केजी में तो होगा नहीं.
Sir,
Length of car. is measured in meter, centimeter, or meter,
to
or
send this one?
kilometers?
Sir, we have to send this one.
You can speak.
Sir, meter.
So I will ask Agu, CR7X, Real Madrid.
Sir, now I have sent it.
Sir, centimeters.
We can measure in centimeters or meters, beta. So length of Serious Nikes lunchbox will be measured in Serious Nike will speak. Yes, Serious Nike.
Sir,
Yes, Serious Nike.
and kilograms.
My
Sir,
goodness.
grams. Sir,
Measured in grams,
Grams.
beta, grams.
Sir, we haven't done
The
this.
lunchbox
तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ ना बेटा, जो ग्राम्स कम होता है, केजी होता है, जैसे 1 केजी आपने कभी खरीदा है, कभी वेजिटेबल्स देखे 1 केजी फ्रूट्स, 1 केजी पोटैटोस, अभी मैं बताऊंगा और क्या 1 केजी होता है, वो आपने डेफिनेटली देखा होगा. कैपेसिटी ऑफ डॉक्टर ईवास water bottle will be measured in. So Dr. Eva, what's your answer?
centimeters.
No, beta, no.
Sir, sir,
Will ask Sui, Ivy.
sorry,
Sui and Ivy.
milliliter. Sir, sorry, I accidentally said.
It will be in milliliters.
Milliliter. Sorry, sir,
And मैं आपको बताऊं, wait, everyone keep quiet.
Or length. Sir, liters.
देखो गाइस, जो आप कोई बोलेगा नहीं बीच में, जो आप स्कूल बॉटल लेके जाते हो ना, दैट इज लेस देन 1 लीटर, तो उसको हम मिलीलीटर में ही मेजर करेंगे, लीटर्स में नहीं करेंगे. यू नो हाउ मच इज 1 लीटर? 1 लीटर जनरली जो आप फ्रिज बॉटल यूज करते हो ना, एंड द बॉटल दैट यू परचेज बिस्लरी, जनरली जो आती है 500 ml भी आती है, बट मोस्टली इट्स द स्टैंडर्ड साइज इज 1 लीटर, एंड उसका वेट भी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 केजी होता है. तो नाइकी आपको समझ आया 1 केजी वेट कितना होता है? अब आपका टिफ लंच बॉक्स तो उससे कम ही होता है ना? तो इट्स मेजर्ड इन ग्राम्स. चलो, इनफ मस्ती. मैं एक आपके लिए पिक्चर अपलोड करता हूँ. डू यू गाइस वांट अ ब्रेक या आज रहने दे ब्रेक?
Sir,
Sir, we want a break.
break.
तो अगू, डिड यू ब्रिंग एनीथिंग फॉर मी फ्रॉम मसूरी?
Sir, I did not go. Sir, no break.
Yes, break.
No break.
Yes.
No break. Sir, I did not go. Only my mom, dad, and sister went.
Is your sister?
Break.
No
Break.
break. No
How
break.
do you feel having
break.
unicorn as your sister?
Break.
No break.
No break. Break.
Okay, I will give you a poll to take a break or not. Okay. Yeah.
Everyone do yes. Sir, I already know what is going to happen.
A break will come.
Yes.
Only black if we get a break.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
I will give you a 3 minutes.
Four.
Oh,
So yeah, that's Hapu.
See, Nike wrote, Veera, I will eat you. Skibidi dobidi dee.
With the magical powers, I have brought this picture on the whiteboard. So I will make this a kidzo question. Very easy question.
Sir, this is a
It's a
kidzo
gift from
question.
my side.
It is a kidzo question.
Yeah.
You have not even given the question yet.
And give the length of the
But no one will speak. And
Sir,
everyone will get one try only.
Sir, this is so easy. No,
Yes.
to send?
That's why I'm gifting kidzos.
Sir, we have to send.
Yes.
send the length.
Sir, see this. Very good. Sir, ma'am hasn't put the name. This is a butcher who ate ivy. And the goo, how did they get it along?
How did they get this question wrong?
How?
How did Nike seriously?
the answer.
How did Mr. Vedi? I think ma'am is only. How did Kush?
This is a rainfall of wrongs. Nobody can.
Oh my goodness.
Well, I have to.
Oh.
Wait. Not a kid's question, I think
Oh,
so.
oh my goodness.
Everyone got it
Oh
wrong.
my goodness. No one.
This
Yes.
has to be a
I
kid's-
won. I won, guys. No one got the kidso. Yes. My all kidsos are saved. Yes. Thank you.
Sir, you also have kidsos.
Bro.
Yes.
Bro, I cannot believe.
So kids, look here. So we will count.
It's correct.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 11. That's it.
So that's
Now
not.
guys, अब आप बोलोगे वो 12 पे क्यों point
That's
कर रही है?
cheating.
I will tell you because उन्होंने पेंसिल यहाँ से स्टार्ट नहीं करी. अगर यहाँ से स्टार्ट होती 0 से तो आंसर 12 होता. बट उन्होंने 1 से स्टार्ट की है तो आंसर विल बी 11. अब शॉर्टकट ये क्या है करने का? 12 starting minus 1 is equal to what? 11. Whatever the unit is, it can be centimeters or inches, whatever the unit is.
So that is cheating.
Sir, that is cheating. That is
Yes,
cheating.
sir, that's cheating. You did not
Guys,
tell
I
us.
made I gave you a kidso question. That's not cheating. No
Yes,
one
sir,
got it
that's a
correct.
cheating.
चलो guys,
Excuse
अब
me.
kidso को yes बेटा.
Sir, one more
Yes.
kid do.
Sir, one more kid.
बेटा please अगर ये one by one बोलो. Yes, Nadia, you said excuse me. चलो guys, क्वेश्चन करते हैं अब. Give the length of the blue pencil
Sir,
in the chat and not a kid's question. I'm telling in advance.
sir, that's a kid do.
How did Agu get it wrong? He got it correct. Don't you know? He is able to see. Yes, he got it correct. Seeing. It's that. Sir, send. Wrong. Sir, this was such a bad question.
Mahi and Kushvita talk a little bit less.
Ma'am is not checking. Sir?
Ma'am doesn't check.
Sir?
So Kush बेटा मैं आपका किड्स कैंसिल करने वाला हूँ seriously. Yes, Veera.
Sir, do you know the nickname of Mahi and Kush that I invented?
Please tell me.
Ants in their pants.
Hands in their pants. My goodness.
Crab
Chalo, guys. So, Nike.
Hands in
Everyone
their
keep quiet now. Only these four will be on unmute.
answer.
Everyone, please be on mute now.
Sir, I know the answer.
तो बेटा प्लीज बीच में नहीं बोला करो मिस्टर बेदी. तो होप कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? व्हाट शुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर?
Sir,
I will do 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7.
no.
तो अब मुझे आप नादिया, आप मुझे ग्रीन पेंसिल का बता दो.
10, 11, 12.
Yes, Nadia, tell me the length of green pencil.
It would be 7.
7 is wrong. Nike, what will be the length of green pencil? Nike, बोलो बेटा. Why are
Sir,
you
I,
not speaking?
sir, I know.
बेटा फिर अजीत आपने बीच में बोला.
Sir, 9.
बोलो, क्या बोल रहे हो नाइकी?
9.
9 कैसे बेटा? आप कंसंट्रेट ही नहीं कर रहे हो. 9 तो ये है, एंड 9 पे हो रही है. स्टार्ट कहाँ पे हो रही है बताओ नाइकी? कहाँ स्टार्ट हो रही है?
1.
1. तो 9 minus 1 क्या होता है?
8.
यू आर नॉट कंसंट्रेटिंग. अगर आप कंसंट्रेट करो तो ये तो अभी मैंने आपको बताया, एक बार में समझ आना चाहिए. मिस्टर बेदी, आप येलो पेंसिल की बता दो.
Sir, 7.
रॉन्ग. आईवी, आप बता दो येलो पेंसिल की.
Sir, 4.
रॉन्ग. होप, आप बता दो येलो पेंसिल.
3 and 8. You go.
होप अनम्यूट करो बेटा. नाइकी, आप भी अनम्यूट करो. नेक्स्ट चांस आपकी है. नहीं.
Sir, 6.
रॉन्ग. नाइकी, आप बताओ.
Sir, I know the answer. Sir,
Please don't speak in between Mr. Bedi and Ivy. I gave you the chance. It's over now. Yes, Nike, बताओ.
5.
5. Because ये end हो रही है. Hope, look here. It's ending on 8 and starting on 3. So what is 8 minus 3? That is equal to 5. आप count कर लो. 1, 2, 3. Look here. 4 and 5. ऐसे भी count कर सकते हो. Got it? Understood, guys? Next. Now I'll give you some conversions. So I will ask one by one. Who knows 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter? जिसको आता है, raise your hands.
Sir, I know. Sir,
Ivy, do you
Sir,
know?
100 centimeters.
100 centimeter.
sir, 100 cents.
इसको नहीं पता, please note it down. This is very important conversion. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Before 1 meter, I will write 1 kilometer is equal to dash meters. ये कौन बताएगा?
Sir. Me.
I will.
Me.
No me, no we. So I will ask from serious Nike. आपको आता है?
1000.
या
In our school, they haven't taught us.
बेटा इट्स ओके, मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ ना, कोई बात नहीं. आपको आता है कि नहीं, मैं बस ये पूछ रहा हूँ. Hope, can you tell me the answer?
4. Don't know because in our school they have not taught us.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, तो मैं डॉक्टर इवांजलि से पूछूंगा.
1000.
1000.
1000.
1 kilometer is equal to
1000.
1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters.
100.
नोट डाउन कर लो किड्स. देखो मैं एक तरीका और बताता हूँ. ये क्या है? किलोमीटर. एवरीवन पे अटेंशन. किलो का मतलब होता है 1000. किलो का क्या मतलब होता है? 1000. तो किलोमीटर मतलब 1000 मीटर. वो तो खुद ही क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर है.
Sir, when will the class end?
नाउ 1 kg. मैम बिल्कुल मत देना किड्स प्लीज कुछ को. 1 kg is equal to dash grams. Who will give the answer? CR7X Real Madrid.
Sir, 1000.
1000 क्योंकि ये तो खुद ही आंसर बोल रहा है. 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी किलो मतलब होता है 1000 grams. नेक्स्ट I will ask from Mahi. 1 liter is equal to dash milliliter.
1000 milliliter.
1000 milliliter. Please everyone note these conversions. तो किड्स मैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूं which is a very very easy बच्चा question. Convert
No question.
4 meter into, or I will directly write 4 meter equal to dash centimeter in the chat everyone.
Easy. Sir, send.
आई भी खुद से करो. डोंट डिस्कस बेटा.
Sir,
आई
send.
मिस्टर आईवी सुई. डोंट डिस्कस. Miss Nike, can you speak the answer?
Centimeters.
Yes.
400 centimeters.
400 is correct. Very good, Miss Nike.
Sir, a bacha question is equal to every bacha get it correct. That's second question.
Meter is equal to dash centimeter. Do it.
Easy. Sir, send. Send. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Jinx. Oh.
Nike, can you speak your answer? Nike, can you speak your answer?
110.
What?
110.
110 नहीं बेटा. देखो इसको हम कैसे करते हैं. पहले हम लिखेंगे 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. फिर 11 meters को बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू अ स्मॉलर यूनिट तो मैं 11 को क्या करूंगा. 11 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 दैट इज 1 दो जीरोस ऐड कर देते हैं बिकॉज मैं 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूं ना. दो जीरोस ऐड कर देंगे तो इट विल बी 1100 सेंटीमीटर्स. अंडरस्टूड सीरियस नाइकी? So, all right, kids, that's all for today. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye. Enjoy. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, kids.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
For you.